Yeah. Go ahead. I tell you, I see the man come at the side for something, you know.
Mama.
What happened? Thank you, go ahead.
Why are you recording the same thing?
Because I want to. Go ahead, darling.
I wish you had a cloud. I'm
Me and the skate down the hill there, you know.
That's how we go. It's supposed to be fast.
Hmm?
Take a picture.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay. No, those packets. Hi. Yeah, how are you doing?
Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah, I'm Julian, I'm Marcy's husband. But
Oh, yeah.
I'm the
I saw you working when we were sitting up outside.
I think Fraser came out and he brought the dog.
Yeah,
Marcy's
yeah,
dog
but
out.
she scared the dog, so she ran.
I said to Fraser, just be
yeah.
aware that there's other people here, so sorry about that. She's ever so good, but that probably doesn't
But
make
she
it.
don't care. She's scared of all dogs, whether they're little or big. So we were just going to go to the pub to have dinner.
Yeah, I just said it's cheap and cheerful. Yeah, it's,
Okay.
it's fairly good. We've been there a couple of weeks ago now. It's quite nice.
Okay, that's brilliant.
It's
Lovely.
usually quick service. Depends how many people they've got there, but you know what it's like.
Yeah. All right then.
Yeah, have a nice time.
You have a nice time. See you later. Bye. Come, darling. Let's go to the thingy and have dinner.
Let's go to the what?
The pub.
Yeah, we have to be really careful because we have just right next to you.
Well, you can't hold your hand. Okay. After this. Okay, wait. Okay, after this one.
You know how many pubs serve food all the garden and deck area.
See? Hungry hoes, you see?